And there's nothing wrong with that, but we can also call it sucking someone's blood. But if you are smart and you know where your power is, why ungayilandzi nyoka? Loko swa ku matimba
Vakhandle Group lowu i ntlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuhuseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka. U nga ha tlhela u vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala emisaveni. Swiyenge swa Vakhandle Group swi katsa leswi: Muganga Basic laha u chayelaka hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 110 rand. U kuma tende 100 wa switulu, mobile toilet, basic sound system, tihunyi na 5000 rand. Muganga Premium u chayela hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 130 leyi ku nyikaka 10000 rand. Muganga Super Premium ya ku nyika 15000 rand yi tlhela yi ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna loko u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 150 rand ntsena. Muganga Cash Only Benefit u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 110 rand. Loko u ri xirho u nga engetela 50 rand ntsena. U joyina Muganga Unveiling Benefit. Vuxokoxoko byi le ka 064 755 5674 kasi eka website hi vakhandlegroup.co.za. Rhumela rungula eka info@vakhandlegroup.co.za. Vakhandle Group, we are family.
Jaimito maiwa wajaru kula imbacha tanuna shiti yemanemi amugala ka the channel that matters. The channel that matters the most. Ako ambukwata yay one lava our love yawen it does go for yawen imanemi amugelaka the only channel that matters to watch. I will have Benny Mayangan, Prince Rangan, and Dr. Joy Sharma. So in the previous video where I was speaking about the clip Prince Rangan, how I think they want to destabilize Mr. Post or paralyze him. I saw your comments, they are meaningless and they are meaningful. So if the shoe fits, wear it. I put my opinions, you put your counter opinions. There's nothing wrong with that, but let's move on. Difference na platform yon. So you have to comment there because we engage like that. So there's nothing wrong with that, with having a different view. So nite kap video liam Benny Mayangan wa excella look angena ka sim itlola Dr. Joe na Prince Rangan, because look atala angati rhythm le bata ku yon, angati pace le bata ku yon, angati line le bata ku yon, like bo afika ba nikita ba so look afika ngena afika change. Why swi va yindlele leya na? Remember, Benny Mayangan is not a producer, is not a beat maker. Let's use the word beat maker. He's not a creator of sound. So look, angari munhu atumbulusha ku sound. His creativity and his power lies on his mouth and his brain. Right? So if anga excel ka ku yimbelela, it means he is useless. Because why? He doesn't create the sound. Those ones, they create the sound. When they are listening to the music, the only thing that comes, la loko ndo faka rimbanyana man, maybe la loko ndo faka katare tin, you know, like that's where their brain is. Those ones are producers. Prince Rangani producer, Benny Varman, Dr. Josh Mani producer, Skangwana Slabo a producer. Because the word producer alanangov na a beat make, so muchai. So lava, that's why Benny Mayangan abatolo, because his only focus is what comes out of his mouth. And then we measure his intelligence based on that. So he has to be the best. Because Benny Mayangan inkambi laba bangwa banga abasikota kuyimbelela mara bangeqambi kufana Benny Mayangan. Let's be honest about that. There's no disrespect there. Ambi Dr. Joy Sherman angeqambi kufana Benny Mayangan. Ambi Prince Rangan angeqambi kufana Benny Mayangan. Like Benny Mayangan inkambi. Problem where me I'm sure to go and ban come some so one no monda roger I'm cambi. That's why she tlekana go mesatin simuses. Why? Because I'm cambi, she's a singer. Emundo kota ku beka at vocals. She's a begging vocalist. or Muhlaveleri, she has a nice, beautiful voice. You know, so Benny Mayengan Inkambi, that's why in each 99% of the songs, when you hear his voice, it's because Inkambi was kota kamba suluk ayingisela beat oyingisela beat yirkwini yirkhwatini was kota ku okay when he bas arhandle loko angena studio already lava va hleta ish wata la loko lo chela yini la ish loko lo maybe loko cinca rhythm oh loko yendla leswi you see that's what goes through their brain. That's why Benny Mayengan va panelera. So I thought I should add that. So it's to understand the reason why Benny Mayengan va panelera I mhaka Benny Mayengan inqambi, like he's a creator of songs, because loko ta u cheka hambi beat yo banjani hina Vatsonga music wa hina relies on the tongue. He focus ngopfu ka leswi u swi yimbelelaka hambi beat yani to a beat leyi biwile, we don't really focus much on the sound. We don't. He focus ngopfu ka yini ka the lyrics. Loko uza ku ba lyric loko uza content yi ri kahle, the song is dope. Nokondelela my baby you vona seja tingwadla hi swonu aye maseve se hi kumile xigodi a xigodi. Shongi Rangan deliberately released the art cover of your album because she knows Guru. Your relevance spark from breaking away with Rangan. So look, Rangan now messing Rangas. That's free ad time. And there's nothing wrong with that. But we can also call it sucking someone's blood. But if you are smart and you know where your power is, why unga ilanzi nyoka? Loku so matimba wa malo nyokin, why unga ilanzi nyoka now? Right? So Shongi Rangan is going to suck Prince Rangan's blood until death because she understands her relevance. She understands Koreana, she's an irritation. Kuna wangwana ba bora ishilungu, ma to kwata ka hari mpunzi. Shongi Rangan understands ku her brand is associated with Prince because why ebaka Rangan hinkwavo and together with their history. So they have a better understanding of she has a better understanding of what she's doing. Those things of releasing the clip and then you see Bosul Makam posting those things, it's not something that it's a coincidence. Sweswa itazwela ku sifane nga post swa tinqambi kuloni mhaka wa mhaya wa ta ku nani hitseka tinqambi tin'wanyana. I never said such a thing. U ta n'wi twa n'wana swi vula. So Shongi Rangan, as much as I don't like her, that's a smart move. You know how to market your things, market them. Ungatsiki. Imaka vanhu va ta ku yini vanhu va do vulavula va ke ku tshiki phela because Shongi Rangan wa penga. But that one she knows. She always capitalizes with these people. She even called them GNU, Gaza National Unit. She goes Gaza National Unit, yeah, Shongi Rangan. Don't have so much to say, but I just wanted to touch on those two critical issues. So I'm here, I'm out. Maya bye mina, Jaime to mina. Please don't forget to like our videos, subscribe to our channel, and also follow us. You can also join if you have 10 Rand, where you give us 10 Rand monthly. Then appreciated support, we really appreciate it. Yeah, I can just first telling all this stuff from different people. I can just laba izonda minga nyamiti mbilu ne minga twimukwata loko nga kusemi izonda ngopfu ka hari mpunzi mato izonda ambo kwata wa lava ulavi.
This video is brought to you by Vakandle Burial Group. For information, contact or WhatsApp us at 064 7555 674. info@vakandlegroup.co.za. That's our email. Vakandle Group, we are family.